market is and the way everything is going on with the economy, real estate, different companies opening up new businesses. You got different car companies that's opening up different manufacturing spots where you could put cars together. You have a lot of opportunities to really advertise yourself in whatever avenue you want to take. Generally, we train you to be prepared for doing work in someone's home or business or something like that. As far as basically knowing your wires to run, what to do and what not to do safely with circuits, how to check your breakers and repair stuff. I know a lot of students has access to like Coca-Cola for operations managers or operations assistants, stuff like that. You got your water treatment plants. You can go to SEPTA. You have like bakeries that use a lot of technology that they might need you to come in and fix. You could be a field service technician for like Comcast, Pico, anywhere you can think of that does anything that has to do with manufacturing. You just apply and go. When you first start off, you get into electrical theory. So electrical theory is basically your basic circuit analysis, understanding what a circuit is, what kind of components are in a circuit, if you do add them, how they affect the circuit, how can you calculate the effects that it has. Your first project will be basically wiring up light switches to a light. Then we go through industrial maintenance, which is basically your troubleshooting, electromechanical repair and all that. So we deal with motor starters. That's when you really use your multimeter. And then we deal with a step-down transformer, teach them how to wire that up. Then you'll go into PLCs, which is programming logic controller. When you get the programming logic controller, you're basically programming an actual physical controller that you're gonna flip one switch on and control multiple things as far as lights, motors, doors, anything like that. Then you'll get into your industrial troubleshooting, which is basically the motors, your three-phase box. You'll learn how to read your voltage, do a continuity check, find if you have bad fuses, bad wires, any kind of bad contacts or things like that. And then after that, you get your CNC. You go to CNC, which is a plasma cutter. So it's something like PLCs and robotics mixed together. You write your program for that. He'll teach you how to program everything, cut your metal out. They give you a real good introduction to the electrical field to help you understand everything you're about to see. Externship is basically like if you get like an opportunity to go work for a company. That way, when you do graduate, we'll either keep you or we'll advertise you to somebody else. But either way, you get your hands-on experience, you get to understand like, hey, this is what I'm getting into, and then you might find your avenue through that way. So after graduation, don't think it's over. It's not over. You can always come back and get some help. Somebody's always here to help you. You can talk to anybody in the building, they'll point you in the right direction. Even after you graduate, if you don't get a job before you graduate, still go talk to career service. So here, you get a lot of hands-on experience. We give you everything that a technician has to learn in 6 months. And we're not just throwing it at you, not cramming it at you. It's not like, oh, if you don't learn this, it's gonna be okay. We'll take the time, we'll break it down, we'll teach it to you step by step until you understand it and you're confident. If you take it one day at a time, step by step, you'll be fine.